What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. We got Randy's pushed in here. We're over at the shop, B&K Performance. We're going to get this thing hopefully cranked up tonight. Engine is completely assembled, ready to go. The only thing we can't find is the intake gasket, so they're going to make some intake gaskets for it real fast. We're going to stick this thing in. Hopefully we can get it cranked up tonight. If we can get it cranked up tonight, then that will make our trip plan to Wooostock for the weekend much easier. So let's see what we got. Don't forget to go to turbojohnracing.com to grab yourself some merchandise. Comment, like, and subscribe. Motor's getting close to going in. This rear main seal is held on with a couple bolts back here, so we had to do that, put that on. Brandon just got through making some intake gaskets for it. We did strip out a bolt hole here, trying to get the gaskets on. So Randy is going to get a helicoil set so we can tap that real fast, and he'll be back in just a minute. So we're going to stick this on, stick it in. Okay, so the motor is mostly installed. We had a stripped out valve cover bolt, so we got that fixed, put that on. Milton, it's got the headers over there, the header, and JW is on the way over here. His next favorite thing is doing headers as well. So JW will be here in a minute between Milton and we're gonna get the headers on it, and then we can test to see where we need to put the EGT bungs, because you can see there's not much room. So if you get them in the wrong spot, they're gonna be a problem. Hey, that's the experience through almost screwing it up. It works, but it was just pain in the butt. All right, made some progress. We got the bungs welded in for the EGT stuff. John is our resident header expert, along with Milton. Milton's over there getting the other one ready to go. We got parts and pieces all over the floor. So we're making progress. That's a good thing. We have not hooked the torque converter up. The only thing we got left under the bottom is to hook the torque converter up. So hopefully we'll get this thing fired up in the next few minutes. Well, I shouldn't say next few minutes, next couple hours. It's now 9 o'clock, so hopefully by 11 we'll have this thing fired up.
Bye, John.
See you, Ryan.
Bye.
All right, so getting closer. John's under there, putting those on, finishing up. So almost done. We had to take it back off. We didn't have the studs in two of them. I couldn't remember if they were. Brian was like, you gotta have studs in all of them.
Why do I have this in here?
What is that?
Campbell? This is a camera retainer bolt for a Ford. Why is it in this bag? It's in here along with this diaper strap, so why is that in there?
I don't know.
You got one in there? Well, don't be doing stuff like that.
Is that from the last one? I was like, dude, that's not the way that went together. this one bolted on. I was like, dude,
I know it. Every single bolt fits. So if you tell me something's supposed to be already in there, I'm gonna be like,
that's one thing we gotta do. We gotta stop like combining old stuff. We found some rings and some pistons. We gonna have to just organize it. So I was like, what is this piston from? I was like, how we got another piston? Hold on. Y'all done a great job making these intake gaskets. Who was the builder of those?
You better go talk to him.
It was a combination. Brandon started, Randy we got in the middle, and Brian said, "Y'all move out of the way and let me finish it."
I shouldn't even show up.
I should have took a picture of it when it was in the middle stage. Man, that turned out pretty good, Brian. Good job.
He said he's done it a few times.
Yeah, I've never done it either. So now they're going to drop the intake on it real fast.
little green scissors.
The little green scissors work better?
Yeah. You go around corners with them.
Oh, I got you. So he's worked out pretty good. We did decide that I did not screw up and leave anything off the front of the motor. It was a little bit of a heart attack.
Randy, that's those from your teeth.
Yeah. Help yourself. I bought for all of them.
We all drinking Bojangles tea? No, it was Smithfield's tea. Yeah, it was pretty good today. So about 2.5 hours ago, I said we had about 2 hours left.
These two backwards right here.
And that did not happen. So Brian was like, oh, it's about 6 hours. I was like, you crazy. You done bumped your head. And he's probably pretty close. All right, she's getting closer. I don't know if she's going to get fire in the hole tonight or not. We just loaded the tune up in it. Got it off the gas tune again and put it back on methanol. So just a few more wires. Still doesn't have plugs in it. Still got quite a bit to do.
40 gazillion wet sump hoses.
Yeah.
Or dry sump hoses, I mean.
It's a lot of hoses. Still got to prime the fuel system and the oil system. It's coming though.
You want to drive Randy crazy? Start picking hoses up and go, where does this go to?
Where does that one go?
Where does that one go to?
I
don't remember.
They all do kind of look the same, don't they? I mean, it's like, oh, which hose is this? What was that going on? That freaking fuel filter is still crooked. I completely forgot to.
No, I'm not fixing it. I like it crooked.
Every time, I hate it being crooked. God, I hate it being crooked. It's straight with the top, but man, I can't believe I did it. All right, well, we got really close, but it's now about 1 o'clock. So still got a few things to do to it, so we're just going to throw in the towel for tonight. But overall, we've made a bunch of good progress the last 2 days. I mean, we were able to get the motor assembled, and we were able to get the motor mostly into the car here. So just a few things left. Hopefully, we're going to get over here tomorrow and get this thing cranked up. All right, guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Go to turbojohnracing.com to get yourself some merchandise. Later.